Ready to ditch the printer and pen and dive into the world of seamless digital signatures? First, click the New button, typically found at the top left of your Docusign dashboard. Then, choose Sign or Manage a Document. Now it's time to upload the document you need signed. You can drag and drop your file directly into Docusign, or click the Upload button to browse your computer. Docusign supports various file formats like PDF, Word, and more. Once your document is loaded, you'll be in the Docusign editor. Look to the left panel for the Standard Fields section. Find the signature field and simply drag and drop it onto your document where you want the signature to appear. You can resize the signature field by clicking and dragging the small circles around the box. Position it precisely where you need it. Make sure the correct recipient is assigned in the recipient field, then click the Next button in the top right corner to continue. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature field to your document in Docusign. Your document is ready to send now. All that's left to do is click the Send button and you're all set.